Hi there, welcome to Excel4kidz. In this video we're going to first look at exactly what Excel is and more importantly what you might use it for. We're then going to look in more detail at the user interface, highlighting all the key areas and navigation features. I hope you enjoyed the video and please hit the subscribe button. Let's get started. Well, what exactly is Excel? Well, Excel is a spreadsheet-based computer program made by Microsoft. It helps you organize information, known as data, in a structured way. Using the tools in Excel, you can easily make lists, tables, graphs, charts, reports, and perform calculations, which help you make sense of the data. So this is the Excel user interface. It's made up of 5 key areas: the title bar, the ribbon or quick access toolbar, the formula bar, the worksheet, and the status bar. So let's take a closer look at these areas. So the title bar includes the name of the document, provides the ability to undo or redo previous actions, allows you to save the document, includes a search bar so you can search for words, terms or phrases within your document, and finally it includes the standard close, minimize and restore down features found in most Windows-based programs. The ribbon includes the top menu and the quick access toolbar. By selecting different items within the top menu, you can reveal a variety of different tools and features. We'll take a look at these later on. The formula bar is where you can enter numbers, words, functions or formulas that you want to go into the sheet. The worksheet, or simply sheet, is the grid-based area made up of cells where all the data, calculations and analysis is performed. Columns are labelled by letters, and rows are labelled by numbers. At the bottom of the sheets, you can navigate between multiple sheets that you might have within your single workbook. The status bar shows a number of different items including sheet number and count totals. One of the key functions included on the status bar is the zoom functionality, where you can zoom out or zoom in to get a closer look at your sheet. So before we get started, I just wanted to show you how you can navigate around the sheet. So there's a couple of ways of doing this. You can either select what we call a cell and use the arrow keys on your keyboard to move around. Or you can use the slider bars along the bottom and the side of the screen to move up and down your sheet. That's it for now for our introductory video on Excel. Next time we'll be looking at individual cells. We'll be looking at how we can configure them and, more importantly, how we can use them to perform calculations. Thank you for listening. Please hit the subscribe button and place any comments in the comments box. Goodbye.